Hey everyone, this is Chris over at beautiful AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your Miele needs. We get a lot of calls about customers asking us what kind of Mieles do we sell, what type of uprights, canisters, all different types of questions regarding Mieles, how they work, what they do, which model is better than this model, different things like that. So today we wanted to make a video just kind of showcasing one of the models that we sell here is one of our most popular selling models, which is going to be the Classic C1 series. So the Classic C1, they make them in a few different models. They have the Classic C1 Pure Suction, they have the Classic C1 Turbo, they have the Classic C1 Cat and Dog, and they have the Classic C1 HomeCare. The one that we're going to be looking at today is going to be specifically for the Classic C1 HomeCare. For those of you who don't know what the HomeCare model is, so anything that says HomeCare, whether it's a complete C3, Classic C1, Compact C1, anything like that, if it says HomeCare on it, basically it's a dealer exclusive model, meaning you can only buy it from a dealer like us. You can't get it from Miele, you can't get it from Amazon, you can't get it from Bed Bath & Beyond, you can't get it anywhere else exclusively from us. Now the benefits of purchasing a HomeCare are a few different things, which we'll go into on the next video, showing about the warranty, the additional tools and attachments that come with it, which is a lot of stuff, which is a nice feature, and it's a really nice thing that comes with all the HomeCare models. So what we're going to do is just dive right into this thing. When you look at the model here, when you get it out of the box, you're going to have everything off of this just like this. So this is going to be the main part of the unit. On the front part of the unit here, you have your on and off button, and you have your cord retractor right here. So this is going to retract your cord in and out. And then on the front here, you have a turn knob. I know in the video it's probably hard for you guys to see, but it does show you like blinds, rugs, curtains, different things like that, where you should be at as far as suction control. There is a dust meter fill line right here. So when the dirt goes into the bag, it'll slowly rise up and rise up. When it turns completely orange, it's time to replace the bag. The only other time that may go completely orange is, let's say you suck up a sock or something and it gets stuck somewhere inside of here. That would show that it's clogged up or that the bag is full, but honestly it's not because of the bag. It'd be because there's some sort of clog in there. So if you change the bag and it's still showing that means there's a clog inside the unit. When you open this up, I do like that the Classic C1s do take the GN bag, which is the larger bag of the Miele series. This has a pre-motor filter, which is here. So every time you buy a box of bags, if you buy a box of 4, they come with this one pre-motor filter. Me personally, I always recommend replacing that motor filter every time you go through a box of bags. In essence, if you replace that more often, you won't have to really replace your main HEPA filter, which sits right here. Now these HEPA filters are very nice from Miele. They eliminate 0.99, 0.98% of all the dust-borne particles down to like 0.03 microns. So if filtration is key in your home, and you have allergies and you have pets, seasonal allergies, pollen is really bad this time of the year. So this will help eliminate all that dust, dirt, and allergens out of your home. So basically, what I tell my customers, if you were to basically leave this sitting in a bedroom and let this thing run, it will almost act like an air purifier, because everything that filters through this system is dust, dirt, odorless, allergen-free air that comes out of here, which is really nice and reassuring that this vacuum will filter all the dust. Most of your other vacuums cannot do what this can do, which is a nice quality that we love about Miele. The next thing you're going to do is connect your hose here. Now in the Classic C1 series, you are going to get this bracket, so you can put your tools, your dusting brush, your crevice tool, and your upholstery tool right here. And then you're going to connect this little piece right here on the side, which is going to be for your electric. You have a fully electric hose with a fully electric wand. This electric hose, you can turn this on and off for the roller system. So the roller is here, so if you're doing area rugs, Persian rugs, Oriental rugs, or your hardwood floors and you don't want that roller to spin, you can just turn that roller on and off. So I'll show you how that works. So when you turn this machine on, we're going to go ahead and raise that suction all the way up, and then you can hear in the video the power head will kick on and off. So if you don't want that roller to spin, you have the option, and you have the option for the suction. So if you're having an area rug and you've ever had to put one foot down and try to vacuum it up, it's a lot easier when you can turn this roller on and off. The next thing that I like about this is the telescopic wand, which is a really nice nice feature for those of you who need to get up in higher reach places, or if you're not a very tall person, you can raise and lower this down. A lot of other vacuums, you basically have one wand and you're at the mercy of whatever the height is on you can never adjust it. So that's a nice feature. And last but not least, the power head. You can adjust the height on this power head from 1 all the way up to 5. So it's going to be from bare floors or low pile carpet like what you see here, all the way up to your thick shag carpet. So it's going to get the best cleaning on your carpet, and it's going to make it easier pushing for you as the user with the ability to be able to change that height. So what I'm going to do is just put some of this dirt down here really quick. And just kind of show you how well this picks it up. So we're going to go ahead and turn the roller on, adjust our height up here. And this power head almost kind of just glides across the carpet. I know in the video it may be hard for you guys to see, but this power head really, this is a nice power head, and it makes your job of vacuuming so much easier when you're able to do that because of the amount of power that it has in the roller brush to be able to agitate, grab the carpet fibers and pull it, so it does most of the work for you. I guess, again, with the Miele, you're also going to get your 2 additional attachments, which is your crevice tool that flexes and bends, as well as your larger dusting brush, which is nice for doing the tops of your ceiling fans. You can angle it around to do corners, and then if you want to be able to do the tops of like stands and covers and things like that, it's a softer brush, which is nice. And this is great for dryer vents, cars, couches, in between pesky little areas you can't reach in. A very nice tool, and this also comes with the HomeCare. These all come with the 5-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Very nice units. These are our best-selling, the Classic C1 series. If you guys would like to schedule a time to come in and see it, or just stop in, we're here 7 days a week. You can like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, as well as follow us on YouTube, or just give us a call at 703-997-9292. We can answer any questions you may have about the Miele series. Again, if you're looking for something great for pets, great for all carpeting types, a complete home vacuum at a really affordable price, the Miele Classic C1 HomeCare would be a good recommendation for you and your family. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Have a great day.